Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. We are going to do the second project in the September 2023 paper pumpkin kit, and it is the box and the topping for the box. So what I'm going to do is we're going to build the box first. I'm just going to tuck everything off to the side. We're going to grab one of these boxes and I'm just going to smooth out that flap because mine got just that little bit bent. Okay. So, fun and games, it's telling me mine are the other way around than what's in the picture. So this is going to be interesting. So I need to fold this flap up like that. And I need to put tear and tape along the top of the flap, right at the edge, like that. And then I need to put tear and tape on the bottom here, like this. Am I in frame? Sorry, everyone. There we go, just like that. Oh, and I've stuck it down now. Okay, so then it tells me I need to flip it over and I need to put tear and tape here. Okay. So I'm just going to put that down at the bottom like that. And then it tells me I need two dimensionals at the top here. So I'm going to put one there, oops, one there, and one there. Okay. So that's all done. Now I need to fold this out. So it does have score lines on it. So I'm just going to fold the outside pieces first. And again, I haven't built one of these, so I'm flying by the seat of my pants here. Now I know that this folds in here. And these fold in, I believe. They're gusseted, so I'm just trying to decide how they fold in. There are no further instructions, so that gusset has to go inside like that. So this has to fold like this. You're gonna have to give it a little bit of a push. Okay, flap folds like that. There we go. So the flap folds straight and then it will gusset in. You need to kind of just press those little gussets in a little bit just to help them start when you've got it's done. So we've got tear and tape on both of the edges. So I'm just going to take that off. Going to peel that off. So I'm right in the camera, I apologize. So this piece has tear and tape on it. So I'm going to fold these edges in and I'm going to pre-fold this edge over just to make it easier. Then I'm going to flip it back out and I'm going to pop these down like this. And I'm going to use my hand. I'm just going to tuck my hand inside just to make sure that we're all glued up there. There we go. Okay. Now I'm going to take the tear and tape off this piece. Sorry, I am very close to the camera. I apologize. And then we're folding this back over on itself like that. So you've got the box made and it gussets in at the bottom like that. And then you can fold the top flap over. Now, I'm assuming that you use these to seal it, but I don't want to seal it just yet. So that's how you make your box or your gift bag. Okay, so we're going to pop that off to the side, bring all the pieces back in that I need. And let's build the front of the card or the front of the piece. So I need my thank you stamp and my Stampin' Spot. So I'm going to ink that up, and I'm just going to stamp it away just to make sure that it's good, and it is. So I'll ink it up again. And we're using one of the long banners. I'll put that over there again so that it's easier for you to see. I'm just going to ink that up again because I've been talking while it was out there. And then this pops down right in the middle. Let's give it a minute there, and there we go. So we have our greeting. I'm putting the lid back on here, and this tells us that we need foil side up. We need to put some adhesive dots on this piece. So we're going to put one here on that leaf. We're going to put one here on that leaf, and we're putting one down at the bottom on this leaf like that. And I'm just going to lift those off, and like that. Now we turn it around and we pop this down. Just trying to line it up with how I see it in the picture. The top lines up pretty close to even there, and there, like that. There we go. Okay, so now we've got this as a unit, and we take this and we put adhesive dots just at the top. So there, and there, and over here, like that. And we put dimensionals on the back of the greeting. So one there, one in the middle, and one at the other end, like that. So now we're going to bring in our box like this, and I need to, it won't stay closed because I haven't sealed it yet. I don't want to seal it until I have something to put in it. But this is going to go like this here. So I'm just going to lift this up and give it a squeeze. Okay. And then the thank you goes right over the top of that. So I'm going to peel these off and pop this down. So a little bit of the leaf shows, and I'm in the middle, and just pop that down like that. So there is project number 2 in the September paper pumpkin kit. So you can pop it up, and then you can use your dimensionals there to close it once you've got your little gift inside. So that is the only 2 projects in this kit, so stay tuned for alternates.